Hello and welcome. I am Trish and this is Trish Talks. And on this channel, I offer up tips on interior design, DIY home renovation projects, and gardening. And on today's video, I'll be showing you 7 tips on how to declutter and style your kitchen for the spring. This will be a lot of fun, so let's get started. I love spring. Springtime represents new beginnings, longer days, and sown seeds. And in my house, it also means spring cleaning. So the first project we're going to tackle this season is decluttering and decorating your kitchen. Don't worry, we're going to break this up into smaller, manageable projects so you're going to be good. Project number 1, decluttering your countertops. So, if every time you want to prepare something to eat in your kitchen, but first you need to clear away items to make room, then there is too much clutter on your countertops. Now this is obviously too much stuff on the counter, and this is too. Your counter should have a few functional and decorative items on them, but there should be more open counter space than anything. This is how a cluttered countertop looks. And this is how a decluttered countertop looks. Big difference. Project 2, organize your kitchen cabinets. Now, before we organize those kitchen cabinets, I must ask you this. Do you have handles or knobs on your cabinets? If you don't, please add some. Unless, of course, the cabinets have those built-in handles. The handles make the cabinet doors and drawers easier to open and helps them stay cleaner longer. Not to mention, they can be a nice decorative element in your kitchen. I just had to touch on that for a minute. A little pet peeve of mine. Now, let's look inside the cabinets. It's time to get rid of all of those mismatched cups and plates and stick to 1 or 2 colors of dishware. It decreases the physical and visual clutter. You can also add racks to the cabinets to organize your plates, your cups, pots, and pans. Consider adding pull-out shelves to the cabinets to make it easier to access the items in the rear. And don't forget to create a drawer for your folded and organized kitchen towels and oven mitts. But note, I think it's okay to have a junk drawer in the kitchen, but I won't show you that. Project 3, organize your pantry. A pantry can easily become a catch-all for your food and kitchen supplies. But this is the season to fix all of that. First, take inventory of the items stored in your pantry. Then go out and pick up some labels, clear storage containers and baskets so you can get to work. Next, empty your pantry and give it a deep cleaning. Then place the infrequently items used on the top shelf, your everyday items in the center, and your easy to reach kid snacks and slightly heavier items down below. Now you have a clean, decluttered, and organized pantry. Nice. Project number 4, clean and declutter your refrigerator. Does your refrigerator look like this? If it does, it's time to declutter and get organized. First step is to throw away all of that expired food. Next, completely empty your refrigerator and then clean and disinfect it. Now go out and grab some organizing containers. Lastly, group your beverages together, then your fruits and vegetables, your dairy, your snack, your condiments, and leftovers. Your refrigerator is now clean and organized and looks great. Now, tell your husband and your kids if they want to eat, they need to keep it this way. Let's see how long that lasts. Project 5, cleaning the surfaces of your cabinets and appliances. Now that you've got everything cleaned and organized on the inside, let's wipe down the surfaces on the outside. For your countertops, your favorite disinfectant will do. After the last 2 years, I know you have a favorite. For your cabinets, if the surface is not too dirty A washcloth with warm water and a little Dawn dishwashing liquid will do the trick. If your wood cabinets are sticky and greasy and can use a little more help, there are a variety of wood cleaners that will work really well and get that grime off of your cabinets. For your favorite stainless steel appliances, continue to clean and disinfect your surfaces as you normally would. But don't worry about streaks. I've got a little hack for you. Put a little olive oil on a clean cloth and wipe your stainless steel appliances down. You'll be amazed at the no streaks shine. Remember, whenever you're using cleaning products, follow the directions on the label and use them at your own discretion. Project number 6, cleaning the windows. Spring cleaning is not complete unless you clean the windows. The good news here is we're only talking about cleaning the windows in the kitchen for now. My mother swore by vinegar and water for cleaning glass, but I mentioned to her one day that it wasn't doing a great job on the outside of my windows, and she told me to add a little dishwashing liquid to the mix. And wouldn't you know it, it worked like a charm. What's crazy is she said it so matter of fact, like we should all know to do that. I didn't know, but I've been doing it ever since. Thanks, Mom. Project number 7, adding touches of spring. We've now decluttered, cleaned, and organized. Now it's time to add touches of spring. Let's start with a wreath. A wreath on the front door has a way of making a great first impression. Changing out your winter wreath for a spring one says welcome, you're excited about new beginnings, and come on in and stay a while. Next, change out those dark pillows for pastels or energetic pillow colors. Okay, it's time to lighten up those window treatments and let the light shine in. You can go with white or bright curtain panels. They can be sheer or slightly transparent as long as they're light. And mind you, it doesn't have to be curtains. It can be window shades as well. Another easy decor swap out can be with your artwork. Perhaps you can use the same frames and swap out the prints for light and airy floral pieces. Or maybe you can bring out a piece from the back room that screams spring with its colors and images. Lastly, you've got to add some fresh cut flowers around the house. With the flowers in bloom all around, you've got to show everyone that you've taken time to stop and smell the roses or any flowers that you like. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.